Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about how to create register form using HTML, PHP, MySQL. Okay, so now we have right now this form you can check, and we have the entry like username, email, subject, mobile number and message something. Okay, so once you fill the form I'm going to show you. Okay, so name is Sid Siddharth at the rate gmail.com. Subject test, mobile number 2222. Okay, and text, and put this submit button. You can check here we have alert, new record created successfully. So we are getting this alert. Okay, once the form is submitted we getting this alert. Let's check again. Sid at the rate mail.com, that is mail.com. Text, mobile number is this one, and text. Put submit button. Now we get the alert particular this one. Here also I get. So now this is done. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to create user registration form. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I'm using this browser. Okay, I'm going to create a new project. That's why I'm going to inside of the my terminal. Now I'm going to use here inside of the terminal, project name is here. I'm going to create new folder inside of the my directory which is htdocs. Here I'm going to create user sign up. Okay, I'm going to hit user sign up. Now inside of the user sign up I'm going to create one file using command touch index.php. Now I am going to open my folder with this command. Once this is open, then what we need to do here, leave it. Okay, so here I'm going to use normal HTML for right now. Okay, for the HTML I'm going to create first HTML form, then we will start the work. Okay, so here I am going to use bootstrap 4. Okay, I'm going to hit in URL bootstrap form. Okay, once this is open, then click on this link. Once this is open, click on get started, and here we have this file. So I'm going to copy first of all, then let me check. Yes, this is fine. Again you can copy from this URL, this one. Okay, we have jQuery, we have the proper min.js, and we have bootstrap. Okay, I'm going to put all of these right now. Okay, once this is done, then what we need to do here, I'm going to create form. Okay, here you can search form. Here we have some option is there. Okay, look at here. Okay, so if you want you can select from here. Okay, I don't want to waste time to show you how to create form something, that's why. Okay, I'm going to use this one, this form. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste here. We have field right now enter name. Okay, so here type is text. Okay, name we don't need right now, leave it. This one we need enter name. Okay, Let me check again. We don't need this one. We have name, and we need multiple forms, multiple things is here. I forget. 1 second. We can use this form inside of the class container. Okay, inside the container, and inside the container we can use here h2 line center user sign up. Okay, br is break. Okay, and here I'm going to use div class call t6. Here I'm going to use form, and here I want to use action is same page I don't want to action use here. Just put on method. Inside of the method I'm going to use post. Now what we have name, and here we need enter email. Okay, type you can select from here email, leave it, placeholder email, enter basically enter email, and here we required name also. Name is email. Inside of the name we require name, we have name, email. Okay, now we need remove this one, name, email, enter mobile, text, enter mobile. Okay, here I want subject, enter subject, okay. Now one field is more required, which is text area, and here we need to use one class from control name is message. Sorry, I have written here wrong word, which is enter. Okay, so now let's check again. We have sorry, message is correct. Remove this one. We have message, we have subject, we have mobile, we have email, and we have name. Okay, so now this is fine. Let's check again. This is working fine, and once this is fine, then I need to go inside of the URL, go to search user sign up. Just click on this. Now this is looking fine. Look again. So let me check again, because this div we need some style. Okay, I want this form basically inside in centers. Then what we need to do, margin 0. Okay, margin 0. Here use auto float none. Let me check again. Where is my browser? Now you can check this inside of the center, this form in center. Then what we need to do, now we need to write uh, PHP part. So I am going top first. I am going to start here PHP. Now what we need to do here, we need to create first variable. Okay, so blank variable basically. Okay, this is the index file. I'm going to put index file. Okay, now we using PHP, that's why we're getting this here. Now I'm going to select PHP. Okay, so once the system, then I'm going to here, and I'm going to put here first variable is blank. Okay, so then we need to use name, email, mobile, subject, now here we are going to create one functions for checking the string whatever we pass using function. Now we have function. Okay, function. Now we have function, and now once the function we have, then I'm going to create the function name, clean text. Okay, inside of clean text I'm going to put here a string. Okay, here I'm going to put a string, and this string basically we will use as a string like this string. Let me do that. This is variable, and here I am going to frame this string. Okay, this string I'm going to frame. Now here again slash third one is the HTML special character. Okay, HTML special characters, and then here return a string. So once I have written here, then I am going to check if is set inside of the bracket dollar underscore post here submit. Okay, if empty dollar underscore post let me remove this one, dollar underscore post. Then here inside of the dollar underscore post I'm going to put name. Okay, this is something wrong maybe. Let me check again. We have is set, we are checking the post is submit, and if empty dollar underscore post, sorry, we don't need to use this bracket. Okay, so now we have something. If empty is post, then we will throw some error. Okay, error equal to I'm going to use inside of the bracket paragraph. Here I'm going to use label, and inside the label I'm going to use class equal to text danger. Okay, now here I'm going to put some text inside of the label. Please enter your name. Okay, this text I want, please enter your name. Okay, so after that let's check here, this is done. Okay, let me check. We have written if submit is equal to this one, then we are returning this one. If post is equal to name, then sorry, if empty is name basically, then we are returning error. Okay, else part is we will write here name, then we'll call method which is clean text, and we pass a string from there. Okay, suppose we have method this one and we are passing from there, we can pass something like that. Okay, so now once I pass the name, then what we do, we will check from here if basically we'll check this is a text or not something. Okay, so here we can check pre match. Okay, pre match basically, and inside the bracket we need to write something. Let's check how this is some special character which is slash this one, and from small to caps alphabet character, small to caps alphabet character, and capital to capital alphabet character, and give some space, then again here star dollar slash. Okay, once this is, then we will pass name. Okay, then what we need to do here, inside of the pre-match we need to throw error. Okay, kind of this one I'm going to copy paste. We can pass only, 1 second, here we can pass only later, only letters and white space allowed, space allowed. Okay, we have written here, then I'm going to below, then 1 second, let me check, we are using this one, this condition is done. Okay, then we need for the email, I'm going to copy and paste, same for I'm going to put email, please enter your email. If user put blank email, okay, then we will particularly enter your email, and for the checking purpose here name, and here is email basically. Okay, post is email, then here this is important to filter basically email. Okay, then I need to put here filter where something, filter where this one, this filter where. Okay, this filter where basically check email ID validation I'm going to put here email, okay, comma filter validate, comma email. This is a predefined function in PHP, okay. So this is done, okay. This once this done, then we will print invalid email something, okay. Invalid email, please enter valid email, okay. Will throw this error. So then again we need to subject. Here we need for the subject, okay. Please enter subject, okay. Here also we need subject. This for the pre-match for the subject, and for the subject is correct, maybe. Yes, subject is done. Again this for the subject mobile, now last one is message, subject message. Okay, so now message is also done. This is done. Then what we need to do here, this is fine, okay. Mobile number also is fine. Then what we need to do here, I am going to inside of the, after this else condition, here I am going and I'm going to check if dollar error equal to not none, then I am going to put here server name it's equal to localhost, okay. Then what parameters we need, username, password, and DB name. So I am going to use new DB, which is user sign up, okay. I'm going to create this one, user sign up first. This one first to go inside user sign up, and here we need user first, sorry, users ID, name, email, subject, message, mobile, this one for the auto increment, okay. Now we have this name, email, subject, message, and mobile, okay. we have user sign up is database and user is table. Okay, user sign up is database. Then I'm going to write here create connection dollar con is equal to MySQL underscore connect inside of the bracket MySQL underscore connect, and here we need to pass server name, okay, username, password, then database name. It's TP basically. Okay, we have written MySQL. Okay, so once I have written this one in this column, here check connection, create connection, check connection. If dollar on, then try connection failed. MySQL connect score error. Okay, this one, then dollar $SQL. I'm going to type here query insert space into table name is users, give space some inside of the bracket name, email, message, subject, mobile, this one. Okay, we have this field, and after this field I'm going to here values. Inside the values we need to pass some variables. Okay, I'm going to use this one. First is name, second is email, name, email, message, subject. Okay, this is opposite basically. Here the subject, then message, subject, message, mobile. Okay, here mobile, here is message, subject, this is fine now. Okay, again if this is fine, then I am going to here, and we have created connection. Is connections failed? If not failed, then create SQL values. Then I am going to write query if MySQL query inside of the bracket I'm going to use con, then dot, sorry, not dot, con and SQL. Once this is written here, then we will print here something, but I don't want right now. You can print something, record successfully created something. Okay, else I'm going to use echo error. Okay, what kind of error? Dot SQL. Okay, then use br tag and MySQL underscore error dollar. Okay, then I'm going to use MySQL my underscore close dollar on semicolon error error to semicolon label class text says new record created. New record created. Okay, then okay, hit here. This for the basically error purpose we have written here. MySQL connection error. If error occurs, then we will print something here. Name, email, subject, message, mobile. Everything is fine. Let's check this is working or not. I'm going to hit this browse. Correct. So I'm going to put here my name is Siddharth and Siddharth the date name, and here I'm going to put mobile number, subject and message, and I'm going to submit button. Let me check again user sign up. Once I clicked on users and click on browse, and here you can check we have the name Siddharth, email ID sid@mail.com, subject is text, and here also, and we got email ID and number also. So this form was successfully created. Okay, also you can put different um, functions here, and hope so this is clear for you. And if you have any doubt related to this video, please comment down comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.